Okay. Okay. Say I've got that one right where I need it to be. Sorry if I'm not talking a whole lot. I'm trying to get the wheels situated where they need to be. Still trying to figure out just exactly how to do this. So the first iteration likely won't be all that great. Okay. Okay, let's do 28 on everything. 25. 24 maybe. Z to negative 1.4. As far as RJ stopping production on the Acceleracers game, I mean, it's kind of, I don't know. I thought the scope was a little bit broad. There was a lot of like great assets that got produced during the game, a lot of great modeling that got done, scripts, textures that were created. But I think that as far as like just creating a game engine and then scripting and rigging the cars and then getting sounds, it's a little bit out of the scope of the project, in my opinion. But that doesn't mean that fan work has to stop, You still got stuff like this going on. All right. Enter orthograph view Unity. Toggle. Click on the cube in the center of the scene gizmo. Okay, now how do I? Okay, good. Make it a little bit longer. A little bit. Okay, and then the back two wheels should be a little bit bigger. Maybe on the back, make them a little bit bigger. Well, this will have to do for now. So, front right, front left, back left, back right. Okay, what's next? Okay. Assets. Oh, by the way, can everybody hear me all right? Is the music not too loud? Because I remember last time I had to turn the music down. Turn the music down. 20. Oops. Good 20 decibels just in case. Yeah, put on some music in the background. I'm not sure if that was coming through. Yeah, I think I had it set on the wrong audio layer. All right. It's a scene file. Oh, can't mark it as scene. All right, this is gonna be tricky. Rotation. Okay. Ooh, whoa. Okay. It's not so much the scale of the wheels that bothers me, it's the position, because the wheels have to be at a certain height, and I think they also both have to be... I'm gonna mute the game music. So basically what this means is that if a car is modeled and textured and then imported into Distance using this Unity toolset and using the Distance Custom Vehicles mod. Hold on. Bam. Then you'll be able to import it into Distance like this. Similar to what you see here. I am kind of curious about how the wheels work, because this one is a little bit bigger. Does that mean the wheels aren't the same location? I wonder if they spin. Yeah, the DeLorean, the Commander, that's... Oh, did the stream crash? No, looks like the stream's still going. My dashboard. I'm getting it on my side. It's interesting. Reload the page, the stream should be fine. This is one of the cars that is included in the default mod pack if you download the custom cars mod. Although can't really customize the colors, unfortunately. That's a little bit outside of the scope of the mod. This is the car that was made to showcase the mod. This is the Corruptor, which you can technically recolor. Which is nice. Kind of a low poly model, but you know. And then there's this guy, Intimidator, and the Night Cycle, which should really be two motorcycles side by side, since Distance has a motorcycle mode. But where it mounts the wheels is kind of. I'll post a link to the download mod location in the stream chat. Give me a minute. It's a little bit complicated. I'll make a tutorial on how to install it here eventually. So, what do I got here? So where am I at here? Export, prefabrication. Drag and drop it from the scene hierarchy into the asset folder. From the scene hierarchy. See what happens when I restore it. Everything to 0. Right there. .32, 1.35. I just gotta figure out how to export this. And then don't mark a scene. Asset bundle. Mark all the assets you used to create the car, mesh, prefab, texture, materials. So let's do the body, back left, oops, back left wheel, left, right. Okay. And then assets, export package. And then just mark everything here. Materials, no, no. Base scene, no. CM6, Iridium body test. Cove light. I don't know what those are doing there, or how they showed up there, but I don't know. Kind of just grabbed a whole bunch of stuff. Include dependencies. Okay, export. Nitrium. Pressing the package, Unity package file. Now let's see, what have I got here in my distance stable, spectrum, no, distance data, plugins, spectrum, plugins, custom car, assets. These are all just regular files. Ooh. Cars. What's that? Sets, bundles. Asset bundle DeLorean. Exporter will not be able to. Only the prefab. One prefab. Car, mark the part of the car. Part that is used for the other car as another bundle name. Some parts. One bundle name must duplicate the asset, fix the reference. Custom cars don't support assets that are on different bundles. Bundles ready to export. Build asset bundles. Assets. Asset bundles. Assets. Build asset bundles. Pop up information in the console. Where's the console? Let's see here. So far, there really isn't a boost animation here. That's kind of more advanced, a little bit more time consuming than what I have time for in this video. I'm probably only gonna test out the file in its kind of like janky form right here, as you can see, where one wheel is kind of at an odd angle and smaller than what you see here. Now let's see. What am I gonna do here? Okay. Bundle. If you want to create more than one card, just mark the prefab. Okay. And so now I have to open the assets. I don't know why I marked it as Nitrium. Where did I export that? Components. Export package. Okay. What am I doing here? Asset bundle. Top of the inspector. Select all assets you want to export. Select mesh, prefab, texture, materials, animations, etc. to the asset bundle. Since you want to export, use the asset bundle buttons at the bottom of the inspector. Ah, wonderful. Asset bundle. New. Iridium. Okay. Don't mark a scene or the exporter. So, only one prefab. Car, if you want to create more than one car. Okay. Parts, mesh, materials. Create the asset. Marked all the assets. Asset bundle, Iridium. Okay. That's in the correct asset bundle. Pop-up progress bar is shown. Marked all the assets. They're ready to export assets. Build asset bundles. No asset bundle has been set for this build. Ooh, progress. Nice. Ideally, assets asset bundle folder. Damn. Where did that folder go? Editor. Where do I find it? Default Unity assets location. Asset store, download folder. App data roaming. Okay. Data roaming. Asset. No, that's not what I want. So hypothetically, you should be able to find things that I need. Asset bundles.manifest. Assets, asset bundle. Open, edit the assets. How do I find exported Unity? first is the actual file. Archive, folder, resources, just chunky. I know that ripping models is possible. I don't know how you do it. I assume you use some kind of a tool or you just inspect the game's source code. I actually have a couple of models from Dashi that were ripped from the Highway 35 game. I got a lot of different, they're not Blender files. They are object files. Road beasts. Big old things. Scene, object, still of 5, interior mesh, objects, location, material, that's how you do it, yeah. So, they're out there. Yeah, any ripped models are definitely going to be useful because modeling is obviously kind of time consuming. So the more shortcuts that that you're able to take with creating the model. The easier it's going to get. Okay. I just have to figure out asset bundles. Now where would that be in Unity? Unity assets, build asset bundle. No, that's not it. New Unity project. Assets. Asset bundles. Fantastic. So I need the file and then the manifest file. Asset bundles. Okay. Okay, 4 files. Okay. Four files, 4 asset bundle files. Ignore the .meta files. Resume, manifest. Notepad or text editor. Let's see if you've exported everything. Oh, that extension. Okay. Iridium. This is the one I want. So, let's see. Distance data. Plugins. Nope. Spectrum. Plugins. Custom car. Assets. All right, see if it worked. The problem with importing the model is that I have to get the scale and everything right. And I'm not like 100% sure on what. Okay, prefab the asset. All right, looks like it didn't take. Can't find a prefab in the asset bundle. So I need a prefabrication. Let's go ahead and I guess we could try again. Something like this. New scene. Import package, custom package. Assets. Build asset bundles. What's that first step? Assets, import new asset. Base scene. I think this is it. Open the base scene. Create package, open. No? Okay, let's try find references in scene. All right, assets, let's import some Highway 35 models. Why not your two? Let's import the model and then let's import the texture. Oh, that's not what I want. All right, and then what I need here is scene. Central mesh inspector. I obviously did something right. All right, I'm gonna be right back. All right, where are we here? An avatar. That's interesting. So about the Accelerators Roblox game, that's something that that Valk was working on. It's I don't know. I don't know much about it other than that, but I do know that it's something that's being done. Okay, so that's the tire. Okay, let's save this as inside the assets folder of your project. All right, whatever. I can open that back up. I think I know what I did wrong here. Base scene needs a mesh render that rotates. Size per object motion. You know, more that I think about it. Tools, materials. What did all of these, how did those get there? Asset bundles. Iridium. Okay. They're both in the Iridium asset bundle, so exporting. Let's make sure I got filter and render must be there. I see. All right. Oh yeah. Game object on the wheel. Name it tire. Ledger tire mesh. I see. Position. 0.8. Oh no. Oof. Ah, that's what I did wrong. Okay. Now I feel like a moron. I see. As far as custom music goes, as far as I know, the main issue is the audio engine they're using. I'm not sure what the audio engine is called, but it's been brought up before, the possibility of like using a using mods to create custom music, but I mean, while theoretically possible, it's difficult. Game object. Okay, and then front left. Okay. 8.32, 1.35. And then just make those a little bit smaller. Let's do 24 for everything. 25. 26. In-body test, let's move the scale back to normal. Negative, get rid of that. Negative 1.4. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Materials. Definitely do have mesh renderers on. Left, right, back, left, back, right. Okay. Game object, assets, build the asset bundle. Couldn't decompress package. Bundle has been set for this build. Clear. Game object, build. Well, that's a delete the old one. Import the new one. Unity assets. Let's give it a shot. Fingers crossed. Yeah, figured. Can't find a prefab. So that's the problem. Just not exporting the prefab, right? 9 megs. It's at least 2 megs. Asset bundle. Base scene. Armature. Central part of the car must be on a skinned mesh renderer. So I don't need this. Let's try this again. Building and compressing data. Place that file. Still the same size. Most likely still gonna get an error, but this is what it's like. It's gonna be now the name doesn't have anything to do with the error I'm getting. Body skin mesh. This part is simply changing its transform. This step. Yeah, DeLorean looks okay. What's going on here? It's just not exporting the model. First, there. Exporting. Okay. Scene hierarchy to the asset folder. Okay. Delete. Create SF folder. Iridium. Okay. Manage prefab texture material. Do the asset bundle. I have to set it as a prefabrication. Apply button at the top. Are selected. Apply. What do I do here? Top of the inspector. Vert. Set. No. None of that. Scene hierarchy. Okay. Ah, there we go. Asset bundle. Ready. I think I finally got it. Begin compressing data. So something happened there. What size is the file now? Still the same size. Probably did something wrong. Fab by using the apply button. I'll try a new one. Car test. Assets, build asset bundles. Apply. Okay. Okay. Delete. Car test. All right. Okay. All the assets you used. Asset bundle. All right, let's give that a shot. All right, here goes nothing. Come on, give me that air. Ah, well, this is something. New error message. Can't load the cars correctly. The mesh on car test body is null. The mesh on the body is null. Car test clone body is null. Oh, I'm still kind of curious if it'll show up. Nope. All right. What did I really expect? All right, I only got about 3 more minutes for the stream, just to let everybody know. I gotta call it here in a little bit. I've only got budgeted 1 hour of streaming, so all of this is it's kind of. Oh, I see. Nice. Tagged. Add components. Mesh collider. Or was it mesh renderer? What was that error I got? So the game imports it as just like a different mesh and textures, but aside from the collision, I mean the wheels still turn. You can still use boost. The body is null. I see. I think I may have done something wrong in the prefab. Body is a null object. It only contains another. Okay. I don't know if I really want to do. This is more of just kind of a test to see if I can get the file to export. Let me actually base scene 3D object cube. See if I can export the cube. Progress is progress. Actually, just get the car bound. Duplicate that. Yes. Oh, no. Car bound. There we go. And then rename it to... Oh no, don't duplicate it, rename it to Cube Boy. And then select prefab, car bound. Build asset bundles. Now let's see. Let's see. Bundles, card test, Iridium. But it has to be some special kind of format. All right. Well, unfortunately, that's all the time I have for today. So I hope to see you all again next Sunday. And thanks for watching.